In this video, I will share with you step by step how to buy online from Eneba. So friends, if you want to buy online, go to Google, search for Eneba, this keyword, click the official website here, and then you will see this page. In this case, friends, if you want to buy a global case or games, choose, for example, you want to buy a Razer Gold gift card, click add to cart. When you click add to cart option, click continue shopping, or click on this one from top right corners. This is Razer card. Click view cart or click checkout. From the checkout, choose a payment method you want to pay, for example, Google Play or Apple Pay. Choose a gift credit card. In this case, write your all details, your card, such your card numbers and your card names and CVC and expire date, and then click continue. If you want to buy through your PayPal, just click view card checkout now, and then choose a PayPal. From when you choose the PayPal as a payment option, just await. Click this, guys. You should be choose, for example, Eneba wallet. Choose your Eneba wallet, and then click continue. So, guys, just await. This is not activated in Nigeria, so choose Eneba wallet and then click continue. After that, you should be logging your account to complete process. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.